back with another video, back. And today, if you would like to see how I got this beautiful curly half up, half down, you know, just this little cute, simple style, then continue watching my video. But before you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So you want to take a powder that's your shade and put it on your hairline like this. And this blends the wig. So you're going to do it like that, do it like that, do it like that. Kind of camouflages the hair a little bit. And then I'm actually going to do the glueless method. So I'm going to actually place some elastic bands in here and put it on my head. All right, y'all, so I'll put the elastic band in here. I'm still learning how to put the elastic band in. Some days I do good, some days I don't do good, so I'm still learning. But we already put our foundation powder along the hairline, so that's a good thing, so it's gonna melt right in. And let's just go ahead and put on our wig. So you guys see how it kind of like melts in when you do it that way? So it's like you don't have to do excess work in a way. We're trying to blend your lace and melt the lace and everything like that. So because this is glueless, I'm not gonna tack down my actual sideburns because they're covered. Like literally I'm gonna just lay my baby hair right here and then I'm good. I don't have to do all the extra work because the sideburns will not be shown at all. And if you just feel like they're not secure, of course you can always go in and spray it with some got to be spray. However, I don't need to do that because my sides will not be shown. I will not be lifting this up. So yeah, but as you can see with the band, you can literally put the flap down just like that. Like it's perfect. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and start making my baby hairs. And then, yeah, you're gonna see me style the wig. I kinda, with this wig, I don't really want to do much with it. I don't really even want to part. I kinda just want the baby hair look with, I'm gonna just add a little bit of water to it, of course. But that's really all I wanna do. I don't really wanna do a specific look per se. I kinda like the messy curl look a little bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tack down these baby hairs, and yeah, y'all just watch me slay this wig.
You might wanna hear this. I'm so done with you, cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so forgotten. Today, you wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even want to bring up the past. That shit was a lesson, and I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind, but now I regret it. I had to regret it. You wasted like all of my time, and I know I won't better. You was so worthless. I hope she was worth it. You can't get me back now. No, you can't get me back. You had me right in my eyes. I don't know why I'm surprised. It wasn't the first time. I didn't wanna complain, but things weren't the same. You calling my phone now, seeing you wanna fix it.
All right, babies, so our hair is intact. So we're gonna add a little water. Y'all, my spray bottle is broke a little bit, so bear with me. My water be coming out all slow. But you see, if you put a little water on it, like, the curls literally bounce right back. And it's time to start protecting our neck. And curly hair is definitely perfect for the cold, okay? Because when I say it keeps you warm, curly hair definitely keeps you warm. So right now we just gonna flatten it just a little bit, so that way it's not like too big, even though I kind of want it big. So I kind of like it with the no part, kind of just big and curly. Okay guys, and this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick tutorial on how to put on a glueless wig, literally to just go anywhere you want to. A party, a club, mall, restaurant, out to eat, wherever. Literally throw the wig on, slay your baby hairs, and you already out. And just wet it and you're done. So if the hair ends up getting poofy or anything, literally all you need is some Nairobi foam and you're good. Literally you're good. So guys, with this you can literally like put it up like this. You could put it in a bun, literally any style, like a half up, half down style, anything like this. Like, you literally can do it with this hair. I'm gonna put it up into a half up, half down style. And you literally can wear it like this. And you just slay your baby hairs, and then you're all set. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This hair is from Tinashe Hair. I will leave all the details in the description box below. Please give me a like, turn on those post notification bells, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial to the fullest. I hope it was helpful. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.